Do you want a fresh new look for your home this year? In this video, we're going to be going over the top 5 trends that designers think are going to be big in the coming months. Stay tuned. Trend number 1, think classic. A return to traditional and even classic style is predicted for this year, with a focus on paint color, landscaping, and materials for the house that reflects the geographic area that the homeowner lives in and calls home. Trend number 2, less is more. Designers are feeling like people are returning to a less is more approach when it comes to painting the exteriors of their homes. They anticipate seeing fewer painted brick exteriors as people turn to painting their doors an interesting color or using color on an exterior trim. The great news about less is more is that keeping up on an exterior trim or even updating a door is way more cost effective and a lot less stressful as well. Trend number 3, customized outdoor living areas. We talk about this in a lot of our videos. Homeowners are looking to make their outdoor spaces work well as part of their daily lives, according to designers. This could include custom features like kitchens, wood-fire pizza ovens, fireplaces, unique doors, partitions, steps or garden walls, making technology, of course, like automated lighting and sound systems work as part of the space. That is also going to be a trend this year in 2024. Trend number 4, landscape design for entertaining. Whether it's a soft, cushy spot for family games, a play area for the children, or maybe sound, lighting, and a picture system for outdoor movie nights, designing the landscape and exterior for entertaining at home will be a big trend this year. And last but not least, exterior trend number 5, using mixed materials and textures. Experts predict that home exteriors in 2024 will feature a variety of mixed materials. This includes stone and brick with heavy mortar in between, and elements and textures like wood, hardy plank, copper, and even slate might be used in a feature area as well. So there you have it, the top 5 exterior home trends for this year. Remember, these trends don't just boost your curb appeal, they also increase your home's value. If you've been thinking about making one of these updates, we want to know in the comments below. If you're considering making a move to Naples, Florida, we'd love to help you find your perfect piece of paradise. To get in touch, click the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know when we post a new video about living, working, and having so much fun in Southwest Florida. We'll see you next time.